Hi, if you are a website owner or a publisher, then this tutorial is for you. Are you looking for a simple and effective way to monetize your website traffic or even traffic from social network? Okay, then meet Monetag. Monetag is a global traffic monetization platform that helps publishers earn more no matter which country their visitor come from. So first of all, I will go to the website monetag.com. This is the website monetag.com. With Monetag, you can start earning from your traffic right away. Whether you own a blog, a website, or even run traffic to social media, Monetag is designed to help you maximize profit. Here, first of all, I will explain the use of different type of advertising formats. There are 6 types of ad formats. First one is smart link or direct link. It is the most easy way to start earning immediately without needing a website. Second one is Popender. Popenders are used for full page ads that deliver strong revenue. Third one is push notification. It is used to engage user even after they have left your site. Fourth one is banner, and it is perfect for mobile monetization. And fifth one is in-page push. It is used to show native style ads that blend right into your content. And last one is interstitial, and it helps publisher to boost earning by delivering high impact full screen ad that advertisers love. Okay, now I will go for the next step, that is how to start registration process in this website. The registration process is very easy. Here you can see there are two buttons or two links. One is login and another is sign up. If you click on the sign up button, then the registration page will appear. Here you can see there are two options for registration. If you have a Google account, then you can click on it, or sign up by using your Google account. Or if you don't want to use sign up using Google account, then you have to click on create account with email. Here you have to submit some personal data and details, and these two fields are optional. You can fill up it or omit it. Okay, now I will click on the continue button. Here three types of monetization options are shown. First one is website, second one is social traffic, third one is Telegram mini app. Suppose I am using my website URL. Okay, now click on it. This option is optional. What tool do you use to get to monetize traffic? And click on it. Okay, now click on the sign up button. Now you will get an activation email, and from your email account you have to activate your account. Okay, you will get this type of activation email from monetag.com. So I will click on it, verify account. Now you have to set the password for your account. You can choose your own password or set your password that you want to set. Now click on the finish and login. Yeah, our registration process is complete now, and the dashboard of my account is showing here. and this was my site that I have added at the time of registration, so I will click on it, add site. I am a new user, so I have get this warning message, and the next tab is the site tab. This is where you can add your website for monetization. If you want one or more website for monetization, then you can go to this tab and add your website. Here I have added one website, and our next part is Telegram mini app. Telegram mini app, if you want to monetize your any Telegram mini app, then you can use this tab. And next one is direct link. Direct link or smart link. By using this link, you don't even need to verify a website to start using it. Just share the link with your traffic and Monetag does the rest of the part. And next tab is payments. Payments method. Here you can choose how you want to receive your earning with multiple reliable payment option available. If you click on it, then you can see the payment method. Since I have just registered my account, so there is no payment information and all fields are zero here. And if you earn any revenue, then you will get it from this earning. Okay, there are some referral program. By using this program, you can increase your revenue by referring others. Okay, so what you are waiting for? Register with Monetag today. Start monetizing your traffic and turn your audience into a real source of income.